If you want to run a heavy load like 2 kilowatts, then you should always choose a lithium battery. If you are using lead acid batteries, it is better to keep the load up to around 700 watts, and that is with a setup of 2 batteries. If you run around 700 to 800 watts on 2 lead acid batteries, you can get good battery backup. But when it comes to running a full 2 kilowatt load, a lithium battery is a better choice. Now, the challenge is that there are very limited options available if you want to build a 2 kilowatt lithium battery solar system. That is why you will have to build a customized system. In simple words, you need to buy the inverter separately and the battery separately. The good thing is that brands like UTL and Eastman offer a wide range of lithium batteries, so you can choose the battery size according to your requirement. Now let's look at the first combo. The first option is from UTL. Here you can use the UTL 3400 inverter. It comes with a 3 kVA load capacity and it can easily run up to a 2 kilowatt load. The price of this inverter is around 20,000 rupees. A 25.6 volt 100 amp hour lithium battery costs around 35,000 to 40,000 rupees. If you need more battery backup, this inverter also supports parallel battery connectivity. That means you can connect 2 batteries together. In that case, your battery cost increases to around 70,000 to 80,000 rupees. But for now, let us calculate the system using just one battery. So we will consider the battery price as 35,000 rupees. Now, 2 kilowatts of TOPCon technology solar panels are easily available for around 35,000 rupees. That comes to around 17 to 18 rupees per watt. Apart from that, you should also keep around 15,000 rupees for the mounting structure, wiring and installation material. So the total cost of this complete combo comes to around 1,05,000 rupees to 1,10,000 rupees. Now, if you do not need to run a very heavy load and a 2.5 kilowatt hour battery is enough for your requirement, then you can also consider the Eastman combo. Eastman offers the Smart Max 3600 model. It comes with a load capacity of 2500 VA and it supports up to 3 kilowatts of solar panels. With this inverter, you can use a 25.6 volt 100 amp hour battery. The same battery is also available from Eastman. So the battery cost remains almost the same. Only the inverter is slightly more expensive. Its price is around 25,000 rupees. The cost of the solar panels, mounting structure and installation remains exactly the same. So the total cost of this setup comes to around 1,05,000 rupees. Now, there is one more option. Eastman has also launched a 25.6 volt 150 amp hour battery. Its price is around 50,000 rupees. If you choose this battery, you will get more battery backup. In that case, the total cost of the system can go up to around 1,20,000 rupees. So these are two very good combo options that you can choose from. But what if you need even more battery backup? In that case, 25.6 volt 200 amp hour batteries are also available in the market. You can use those as well. These are retrofit batteries. That means you can use them with inverters from different brands. For example, if you do not want a UTL inverter and you prefer an EAPRO inverter or a Luminous inverter, you can easily connect a 25.6 volt 200 amp hour battery with those inverters. With this setup, you can get battery backup equal to 4 lead acid batteries. The price of this battery is around 70,000 to 80,000 rupees. So I hope you now have a clear idea of how much it can cost to install a 2 kilowatt solar system with a lithium battery. If you still have any questions or suggestions, then do let me know in the video comment section. I will be happy to answer them. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.